I think of course, when you got the house, it's an empty house, right, basically. Because what we were looking of was more of a minimalistic feel. I would say in terms of, combining the whole consistency in terms of the design, and you won't have, different types of discontinuity in terms of, the design. Of course, have surveyed other IDs, and the experience that we got was mainly, it was more of a template perspective. It wasn't what we were actually looking for.
So you can see this is a foyer. So my customer wants to have a display set, which is have a shelving there and then glass see-through. And then this material is spray paint matte.
I think Chrysella has helped us, in terms of putting that into reality, like I mentioned, basically, because what we had in mind, of course, it needs to be further defined from the high level that we actually wanted. So, of course, she also shared with us some of her experiences in terms of making sure that everything also works as well.
See, this is one of a minimalist style that customer wants to hide off the wirings. So the wirings will be underneath inside the cabinet to cover all the mess. You can see over here, this is another display concept where customer wants to show their family photos or whatever. The colors will be also spray paint. This is no white. Okay, this is lamination. The material here is signature quartz, so it's kind of stain resistance and heat resistance. Spray paint combination with lamination, and then also we do some features of the tiling.
I think Signature Kitchen's products is definitely brings the quality, okay, the quality that it brings to, and in terms of the design as well, is much more contemporary and modern. You have that modern feeling, but of course I think in the overall experience as well, from the design up until the realization of the whole process, so that has been a quite good experience to align what we had in mind towards the reality of creating our dream house.
We are here in master bedroom, customer's master bedroom. So here will be the signature wardrobe series. As you can see, the handles is integrated. So this is one of our latest products lah. And then this one will be the display cabinet. So customers can display their hats, their bags over here. And then come over here will be the dresser. So clients request to have a dresser came with the wardrobe. So this one will be the choices lah. This is customer's son's room. This one is lamination, which is called cabinet lights, and then also come with the integrated handles. And then customer wants to have a playful design, so they request to have a carcass to let the kids store their toys.
I'm glad that it turned out to what we actually wanted, basically. In terms of the overall design language from the living room to the wet kitchen, it brings that continuity, and we're kind of comfortable with what was being also presented to us as well.